Are you looking? As interest in efficient portable heating solutions grows, barrel stove kits have surged in popularity among campers, off-grid enthusiasts, and DIYers. These versatile kits transform standard metal drums into reliable wood-burning stoves, perfect for heating or cooking. This guide evaluates the best barrel stove kits based on build quality, ease of assembly, durability, compatibility with 30 to 55-gallon drums.
List number: double barrel stove kit.
Perfect for 30 to 55-gallon drum wood stove kit.
Heavy-duty steel barrel camp stove kit with stove door.
The double barrel stove kit is a standout for those needing a robust, durable option for 30 to 55-gallon drums. Crafted from heavy-duty steel, this kit offers excellent heat retention and long-lasting performance. The stove door includes a secure latch, allowing easy access for loading wood and ash removal.
Its double-barrel design promotes better airflow and efficient combustion,
making it ideal for extended outdoor use.
Whether camping or heating a workshop,
this kit balances portability with rugged construction and reliable heat output.
List number:
barrel stove kit. Perfect for 30 to 55-gallon drum wood stove kit.
Heavy-duty steel barrel camp stove kit with stove door.
This barrel stove kit is designed for versatility and ease of installation. Made from premium steel,
it fits 30 to 55-gallon drums and includes a solid stove door with a
built-in air vent to regulate airflow. The durable construction withstands high temperatures, making it perfect for camping and emergency heating. Its simple assembly and compact design make it easy to transport and set up, while the heavy-duty build ensures longevity. It's a fantastic choice for those seeking an affordable, efficient barrel stove kit.
List number:
barrel wood stove kit. Perfect for 30 to 55-gallon drum wood stove kit with 55G burn barrel grate wood burning stove. This barrel wood stove kit comes complete with a sturdy burn barrel grate that enhances airflow beneath the fire, resulting in cleaner, more efficient burning. Suitable for 30 to 55-gallon drums, this kit includes a high-quality stove door and all necessary components for quick assembly. The grate's design reduces smoke output and promotes even heat distribution, making it excellent for both heating and cooking. Its solid steel construction and smart airflow management make this kit a practical, cost-effective choice for outdoor enthusiasts.
List 4: barrel stove kit for 55-gallon drum. Perfect for 30 to 55-gallon wood stove kit. Camping equipment designed specifically for 55-gallon drums, but compatible with 30-gallon models.
This barrel stove kit is tailored for campers and off-grid users seeking reliable heat.
The kit features heavy-gauge steel construction
and a stove door with adjustable air intake, allowing precise control over burn rate and temperature.
Its modular components simplify transport and setup, making it ideal for remote locations.
Known for its solid build and efficient performance, this kit offers excellent value for anyone needing a portable wood stove.
List number:
double barrel wood stove kit. Perfect for 55-gallon drum barrel stoves kit. Firewood camp stove. The double barrel wood stove kit is engineered for superior airflow and combustion efficiency. Compatible with 55-gallon drums, it features a heavy-duty steel barrel and a spacious stove door with a sturdy latch for secure operation. Its dual-barrel design creates a natural draft that enhances burning efficiency and heat output. This kit is particularly favored by campers and survivalists for its reliable performance and rugged build. Easy to assemble and transport, it's a powerful solution for outdoor heating needs.